Ladies and gentlemen, new phone, iPhone 17.
So what happened to your phone?
So I was doing an interview with a company and I dropped the phone while I was recording the interview and I fucked everything in the back. So
Who sent you here?
my friend Joe came here with a broken phone and he fixed it, so he sent me here because they said that they are good fellas, so here I am. Let's see what they got for me.
Perfect. I'll fix this one for you, buddy. One belong. There you go.
Ladies and gentlemen, basically new phone, iPhone 17.